Nitro Gear and Axle is a high-quality, aftermarket axle and differential parts manufacturer. They offer third members, Chromoly axle shafts, Pinion ring kits for SUVs, trucks, cars, and many other axle configurations. What sets Nitro Gear apart from the rest of the pack is the use of better materials, better machining processes, and precision lapping, ensuring you have a quiet and long-lasting setup. Nitro designs their differential gears specifically for each vehicle to reduce wear and keep your engine in the optimal RPM range for power and efficiency. The importance of re-gearing is as prominent as ever. With the increasing cost of transmission repair, increases in horsepower and torque, and the never-ending battle to tow heavier, go faster, and go bigger. Whether you drive a diesel truck, Jeep, Toyota, or simply running a Dana axle in your project, re-gearing will put less stress on your driveline components and let you regain some of the lost power and fuel economy associated with running oversized tires and adding heavy accessories. Nitro Gear and Axle products can be found in dedicated trail rigs, tow vehicles, daily drivers of all configurations, the drag strip, and even at the truck pool. Nitro Gear and Axle are true motorsports enthusiasts that utilize their own passion to produce differential products you can rely on. Be sure to follow Nitro Gear and Axle and Meyer Distributing on all your social networks. And remember, when it comes to quality you can see and performance you can feel, it's Nitro or nothing.